Guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application. Right now we will show you how to block videos from children on your TikTok account and how to activate the audience control option. So guys, let's open the TikTok application. I will tap on the plus icon to create a new random TikTok as an example, because we are only interested in settings before the uploading. Pay attention on the more options section because we need this special audience controls feature. You can check the description here, but I will talk about this option a little bit. This feature will help you to avoid blocking videos from the TikTok itself. And remember that this option can also help you to change the average age of the audience on your account. So it's really very helpful if you want to block your TikTok from the children and kids. Let's click on the switch all beside it and tap on the OK. Let's click on the cross here, and right now our changes is smoothly saved. We can post our TikTok. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely very useful and helpful. Right now you know how to manage this audience control feature. And don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks and tutorials about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!